Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you enjoy the volatility, right? So markets are super volatile. I really don't know why the markets were, in fact today global cues were really negative. If you were monitoring the US future, US market is closed today because of Columbus Day. US futures were very bad. It was trading in the red. In spite of that, we gapped down, Bank Nifty and Nifty gapped down. Then we rallied so much. This is all. I really don't know what is happening in the market, and let me tell you, I have stopped doing many things. uh, Gone are those days where I used to sell 100 lots or 150 lots or 120 lots. Those days are gone. I'm just selling barely 10 lots, 15 lots maximum, because it this 200 points, 300 points gap down, then reversing, then you imagine what would have happened to people. In today's live session also, one guy was asking me, seeing at the gap down, he shorted or he bought PE option, then market went rallied like anything, right? For example, Bank Nifty 38,500. It was not like a 38,500 was a strong resistance. A strong support. 38,500 to 39,300, then coming back to 38,800 levels, then settling somewhere around 39,000. So a rally of 1,000 plus points in just single trading session. Of course, Bank Nifty is used to these kind of moves, but even Nifty is moving so much. 17,000, 17,800, 17,000, 17,200, 300, then coming back to 17,000. At last it settles somewhere around 17,200. So it is super volatile in spite of all negative global cues. And India specific, there are negative things. If you see the USD-INR pair, you know how much it is now. It is almost around 82.46. That is lifetime high. So that is that not lifetime high. Maybe in next 1 month or 2 months or before December, we will hit 85. In spite of Indian government spending so much on our currency, right? They have swapped around more than 50-60 billion dollars. In spite of doing all this thing, it is depreciating, keep on depreciating. You imagine, had they not done anything, what would have happened? Maybe it would have gone above 80, below more than $85, right? Dollar would have gone below 85. So this is how things are. No matter what you talk, whatever you want, or think whatever you think, this is not a bull market. Don't think that markets are going to go up. There is no way. Every rise is an opportunity to sell this market. You sell whenever the market rises. You will make money. That's what we have been doing, and that's what 18,000 above, something like that, we are selling call option, of course with a hedge. And as I told you, we are into some algo trading stuff. Positional trades are not working, my friends. Frankly speaking, positions are not working. You take straddle, strangle, or some other strategy, it is not working. Because of this so much of volatility, we do adjustment. If the market comes down, we do adjustment, stop loss hit. We do adjust, then the market goes up, we do adjustment there, then stop loss hit. So every time you do adjustment, the probability of the trade is becoming lower and lower. The profit will come lower and lower, right? So that is what is happening. So we have stopped 95%. We have stopped positional trades. Very less. That's what I told. Very less. Maybe 10 or 15 lots. That's it. Not more than that. That is the reason I could sleep peacefully in spite of 250 points or 400 points gap down in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? Otherwise, today would have been a very pathetic day. So this is how markets are, and whether you like it or not, it is going to go forward like this. And other news, if you see, there is TCS and Accenture which is going to come out, or maybe it would have come with a result. I'm not an investor. I don't go into this fundamentals or of IT company. But one thing is that One thing good about dollar appreciating and Indian rupee depreciating is IT sector is booming, right? So all the payments are IT payments are in US dollars. Even for us YouTuber, payments are in US dollar only. So that way I can be happy. But what is the use? Here inflation is increasing, right? So we'll see how things pan out, and maybe this week Federal Reserve is coming out and maybe they will tell about the interest rate hike. I don't know what they are going to say. They are going to be hawkish. They have been saying that they are hawkish, and even in 2023 they told they are going to be hawkish and they are likely to increase the interest rate. So how much we don't know. So if you are buying a home, if you are buying a car, if you are buying a motorcycle, everything, even credit card, everything is going to be expensive. But let us see how things turn out. And if you see the other things, I don't have to talk much about this, what is that chart? You know what happened. FII figure, if you see the FII figure, both DIAs and FIIs are equal in number today. So FIIs have sold in a span of 2,139 crores and DIAs have bought for around 2,137 crores. And if you see the stock, US futures also, even though today US futures are, US market is closed, we just follow US market blindly. We close our eyes. We don't see what is happening to our father, what is happening to our mother, what is happening to our sisters and brothers or neighbors. We just go and see others, right? Two gullies. We go beyond 2 or 3 gullies and see what is happening there. First you have to see what is happening around you. No, then only you have to go and see other street or other gully. But what we are doing as an Indian retailer, we are forgetting what is happening around us and we are so much into other market. I'm talking about US futures, right? So US futures are down and obviously SGX Nifty is also down. I think it is marginally down by, it is flat. And when you see the open interest, this open interest and all, no use of seeing this open interest, my friend. Honestly speaking, today morning I saw 39,000 had the highest calls. Now opposite, 39,000 they have shifted to 39,500. So wherever they are writing calls or wherever they are writing puts on the downside or higher side, it is likely to breach that one, right? So 39,000 short straddle is being written in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and if you see Nifty, same story. Look at the way these people have done in traded in Nifty. So much of things, right? 17,000, 17,100, 17,200. So between 17,000 to 17,500 people have written. Maybe 17,500 is going to be a resistance and 17,000 is going to be a support, right? So this is how the markets are. It is likely to continue like this for coming years, maybe next 1 or 2 years. It is going to be super volatile. That's why we have shifted our focus to algo trading. Till now, our algo has given a profit of around 2%. More than happy. Around 2%, more than happy. Only thing is we have to scale it up, which we are working on. Once that is ready, I will share with you all guys. And also please be very careful. Don't take unhedged positions. Don't go lighten your position. Don't go heavy. Don't take heavy positions. So that's what I want to say, right? So let's see how things pan out tomorrow. Take care. Bye.